Hi everyone, I'm Abhilasha. We are back with our alert on job and internship opportunities, and we are starting with the series of job and internship alerts again. This week I found 10 opportunities, 5 jobs, and 5 internship across companies like Microsoft, Bain, PwC, American Express, Gartner, and many more. These are fresh listings, real roles, not recycled posts from 2 months ago. Plus, at the end, one tip that will make every application you send out perform 4 times better. Literally 4 times. Stay for that. So, all links are in the description. No commenting for links, no hoops. Just click and apply. So, first we'll start with the internships. Let's see what we have. So, in internship, we have collected few internships which are perfectly for someone who wanted to start their career. So, Bain and Company has come up with HR operation interns. Bain, one of the top three consulting firm in the world, like included in McKinsey, BCG, Bain, and they have an HR operation internship open right now. If you want Bain on your resume, this is a rare window. These openings don't stay up long. MBA, HR, BBA, psychology backgrounds apply immediately. Second is Entity Data, North America. They have floated a role of business support associate. Entity Data is a Fortune 500 global IT service giant. This business support associate role is a strong entry point into a large MNC environment. Business management or operation background, this is worth a look. Solid brand, structure growth, and multinational exposure from day one. Next is Better Ledger Inc. They have floated a role of executive assistant. Executive assistant roles are massively underrated for early growth career. If you sit next to decision maker, you see how a business actually runs, strategy, operations. If you're organized, sharp, and want to learn fast, this role will teach you more in 6 months than most job teach in 2 years. Next is JioSaavn. They have floated a role of marketing intern. JioSaavn is one of the India's biggest music streaming platform, over 100 million users. A marketing internship here means working on campaign at genuine scale. Marketing, media, communication students, this is real brand work, not college project level stuff. Application link is in the description. Next and the last is Microsoft. They have floated a role of data science intern. Microsoft data science internship, if you have the technical background, statistics, machine learning, SQL, you are thinking that's me right now. Stop watching and go apply. 5 internships are done now. Now we'll move ahead with the 5 job opportunities, including your PwC Senior Associate opening, a Gartner field role, and something in Colgate that's more strategic than the title suggests. So stay on. So we have come to the latest job opportunities. So as you can see, first is Colgate Palmolive. They have floated a role of customer development executive. Colgate, $19 billion global company. Customer development executive, this is a commercial sales and distribution role, working with retail partners across your territory. And you're graduated interested in FMCG or in sales. This is how careers at companies like Colgate, HUL, and P&G actually start. The brand name compounds for years on your resume. Second is American Express Global Business Travel. They have floated a role of regional relationship manager. American Express, especially their global business travel division, which manages corporate travel for large enterprise worldwide. Regional relationship manager means you own senior level client accounts. This requires experience in account management or B2B sales. If that's your background, strong role, strong brand, and strong upside. It is Gurgaon based and link in the description. Next is Lixil, Sato India. They have floated a role of key account manager, institutional sales. Lixil is a Japanese multinational brand. Sato is their sanitation brand operating across India. This role means handling large scale institutional clients like your NGOs, government bodies, and development organizations. If you want to work at the intersection of business and real world impact, rural development, public health, this is a genuinely unique role. Not many like it out there. Link in the below description. Next is PwC Senior Associate role. PwC Big Four, obviously we all know about it. They have opened this role for Gurgaon location. PwC hires across consulting, deals, tax, audit. Check the specific practice in the link and apply to what matches your background. 0 to 2 years of work experience is required for them, but they haven't specified it in the description. You can go in the link and apply for the job. Next and last is Gartner, which has floated a role of GTS Field's role in India. Gartner, the world's leading research and advisory firm. This is a field sales role. You are selling Gartner's research to CXOs and senior IT leaders at large enterprises. High pressure, high reward. Gartner sales compensation is among the best in B2B anywhere in India. And the exposure to executive level decision making is unmatched. If you have sales confidence and serious ambition, the ceiling is very high. Link in the description. And now, the tip I promised. It's called the 48-hour rule. Hiring data from platforms like Workable and Greenhouse shows that candidates who apply within 48 hours of fresh listing get a response rate 4 times higher than anyone else. Recruiters are more attentive when a role is new. 1 week later, there are 400 applications in the inbox, and yours get buried. So the rule is simple. If a role fits you, apply within 48 hours. Not this weekend, but tonight. So all the links are in description. You can go and apply. If you fail to get the link, you can comment job and will send the PDF to you. See you next time with more such opportunities. If you like this, share with people who require these opportunities and follow our channel. Thank you.